Hello children and welcome to the very first lesson of Class 9 English NCERT Beehive book. The title of the very first lesson is The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. Let us quickly take a look at the author's biography. Scholar Isaac Asimov was one of the 20th century's most prolific writers, writing in many genres. He was known for his sci-fi works like Foundation and Me, Robot, etc. Born on 2nd January 1920 in Petrovsky, Russia, Isaac Asimov immigrated with his family to the United States and became a biochemistry professor while pursuing writing. He published his first novel, Pebble in the Sky, in 1950. He was an immensely prolific writer who penned nearly 500 books. Asimov died in New York City on 6th April 1992. The Fun They Had is one of the most popular fictional works written by him. Now coming to the introduction to the story, this story takes us to the world of the future where computers will play a major role. You will get to know the ideas about virtual reality and virtual classroom. The term virtual reality refers to a reality created by computer software, and a virtual classroom is not a real classroom but one where learning is through computer software or the internet. So, when we read the story, we feel blessed that we go to a school where we are taught by human teachers who take care of us. But this is not done by robots. Now, here you can see the entire summary in the form of value points. It will be easier for you to take a note of them. As you go through them, I would like you to tell you the summary in a nutshell. The story opens when Margie writing in her diary about an old book that Tommy had found. Margie was reminded of her grandfather, who had once talked about his grandfather who went to an actual school where the students were taught by human teachers. However, Margie and Tommy lived in the future world, in the year 2157, where education was completely computerized. They did not go to schools. Instead, they had a special study room where a computer taught them. The computer teacher was programmed and adjusted according to the needs of each child. Now and then, the computer teacher developed faults which were fixed by a county inspector. Both Tommy and Margie wondered at the book found by Tommy in his attic. They wondered at it as they read books on the screen of their computer teacher. Margie felt that the computer teacher was boring. She disliked the mechanical teaching and learning. She also wondered how much fun it would be studying in a school. Studying in a fun way with other children, and that too from a human teacher. Now, let us enrich our vocabulary by looking at the words and their meanings. As you go through them, try to understand their meaning, try to relate the usage of these words in the lesson, and then use these words in sentences of your own. Now, in this particular slide, children, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Inside each, you can see a word written. What do you think they are? Yes, these are elements of a story. These elements in a story make the story very, very effective. Now, what you are going to do is, after reading the story, you are going to relate each element to, you are going to relate portions of the story to each element of a story. That means you need to find out which portion of the story relates to exposition, which portion of the story is the rising action, which portion of the story is the climax, and subsequently falling action and conclusion. Now here you can see a few pictures of present school classroom, that is the old school classrooms. It's old because according to the story, according to the lesson, it is an old setup, as the story is set in the future in the year 2157. And in the next slide, you find pictures on future school classrooms where AI or robots have taken over. You don't see any human teacher. Now children, try to find out the difference between the two different situations. Try to find out the advantages and disadvantages of each of these situations. Now, having read the story, you need to think over a few points. When I ask you, what kind of school do you imagine in future? What picture comes to your mind? When I ask you, do you think artificial intelligence or robots replacing human teachers can prove to be a boon to humanity? Are you all thinking? Yes. Now, if I ask you, will you be happier in a more developed high-tech society? If yes, why? And if you think, no, you will not be happier in a more developed high-tech society, then why not? You need to have reasons. And now here is a topic for debate. The schools of the future will have no books and no teachers. Now you have to speak either for the motion or against the motion. Now we can do the speaking skill class only after the school reopens. Now, for the time being, we will enhance our writing skills by doing some writing practice. So children, what you need to do is, you have already got a question in your assignment list where it is mentioned that you have to write a few points. Each one of you have to write, I think I have given number 5 points on for the motion of the topic, and then again 5 points against the motion of the topic. I hope you all have understood what to do. On the basis of this particular study module, I have asked you to make notes on a few topics. The topics have already been given to you, right? So now I think it will be easier for you to make those notes. And there will be one more study module following, which will include question answers and grammar exercises. And finally, in the next study module, we will conclude the lesson. Till then, take care. Thank you.